Thank you, Mr. Assistant Speaker. I'm member for Waria. Include Waria too.
Sorry.
If you leave out Waria, then my people of Waria will be really, really worried.
Thank you. Honorable members, sorry for...
Thank you.
Apologize
my question without notice goes to the good Minister of Mining and member for Finsaven from Morobe Province. Before I ask him the question, I would like to thank Honorable Prime Minister for appointing a member from Morobe Province to be mining minister at this time. Thank you, Prime Minister. Mr. Assistant Speaker, my first question is, I've just returned from a presentation from the Connect PNG program at APEC House. I gave a speech on small-scale mining, impact of small-scale mining in Papua New Guinea, especially in Wau and Bulolo. The small-scale miners want the need and demand that the alluvial mining industry must be localized and it must be indigenous. We are seeing foreign developers coming and extracting the gold and taking them illegally out of this country. So my minister, you from Morobe and this Wau Bulolo, over the many years, foreigners came and dug up Wau and Bulolo. Now, one is something less than Bunia Mibla Lexim. Medibla Rasung Gobinis. So can you assure the people of Wau Bulolo that the alluvial mining industry, from mining lease to developer to buying to export, must be completely 100% owned by the people of Papua New Guinea, indigenous people of Papua New Guinea? Can you assure this, the people, the alluvial miners in Wau and Bulolo and all across the country? My number 2 question, if we're gonna remove the developer, foreign developer from this formula, from this scheme, then we need support in this industry. Small-scale mining last year in 2023 generated 260 million kina. And in 2024, it generated over 540 million. And 2025, we expect that it will go up to 700 million, and it is climbing. Can your department or can your ministry look into supporting small-scale mining? Because the bank don't trust us. They cannot give us loan, even though we have mining license. It's not like a business where you will spend about 50,000 to start it up. You need a small-scale mining license, need about 1.5 million to start. Is the government willing to put down the support to small-scale mining industry in this country? That's question number 2. Question number 3, and that is related to Eden Valley MOA review. Minister, we have signed, initialized the MOA review already, and I'm waiting to get the royalties now, and it's coming up to close to end of July now. When will the review be, formalized and given to the people of Wau Bulolo and Waria? Thank you, Assistant Speaker.
Mr. Minister for Mining.
Assistant Speaker, thank you, Drew. Firstly, before I respond to that 3 sets of questions, I'd like to take this time to congratulate the member for Central Bougainville and thank the people of Central Bougainville for electing one of their own. Is not new to politics and this floor, and as leader of our party, I am also honored for him to have chosen us to be associating with us in this floor of Parliament. So on behalf of all the members in our party, I'd like to thank him, and at the same time congratulate him, and the people below Central Bougainville, and we look forward to supporting him, and at the same time work with him as we go into this 10th year of Parliament. Mr. Speaker, first question, alluvial mining. Mr. Speaker, through you, I received a letter from the good Minister for Commerce and Industry Now, in terms of reserve business, that aspect of the business comes under him. And as diligent as he has written to me a letter for us to bring forward the reserve list, and that includes alluvial mining as well. So I can assure him through this house and through his question that 1 yes, alluvial mining will be recommended as part of the reserve list for us to reserve long-haul people below Papua New Guinea Tasol. Having said that, to give some context, it's not always when we give alluvial mining lists to foreigners to come and participate in this industry. It's always when people are Papa ground, want to place people sim license, and then we partner with foreigners. So that leads to the question, second part of his question. Suppose you meet to say misla industry and blow Papua New Guinea Tasol, but man lo place bagadina money lo buy machine lo nogat, lo clean him na wasim go lo let. O bagad machine lo digo, oga security lo sim car put him go let na karib kam lo salim mo nogat. This lamb something will cost him money. So thus I will work with the Minister for Commerce and Industry, including other portfolio ministers, where we can set him up a scheme, help him all alluvial mining sector, where line blimi go inside. And on that point as well, I want to thank the Deputy Prime Minister for the work he's assisting us in deporting people who are illegally involved in alluvial mining. ECP got plenty alluvial mining will come. Minister and the team has been sending out officers, including Lowau Bololo and other parts of this country. So I think that work will be coordinated by the Deputy Prime Minister, myself, and other district members where you got activity inside long place, where you're looking for some all got license, please report to the relevant authorities. Now you can deport him all, Lodisla. And number 2 question, yes, I confirm that if we remove all of the joint venture people who are involved in the industry, it will create a very big gap. And that work will be spearheaded by Commerce and Industry, Arab law program where government can come up, helping all alluvial miners who got valid alluvial mining list, now mining list to participate and own that industry. Number 3 question, Eden Valley, yes. May I thank him, Governor Blomiet, Lo Province, where I am taking leadership, want him, all department, including member Ahmed, the member of Bololo, and the other relevant members, member of Miniama, for giving support for us to initiate the concluding process for Eden Valley MOA. Now through the department, Blomilo, MRA, we will finalize him, we will vaccine go, NEC, and then it will come. So royalty you talk, it will be finalized, and I think it will not be, I'm not a good place, supposed to thank him, Governor. Lo Brookim royalty. Some governor am all strong lolim royalty, but Governor Blomi and Brookim royalty lo ogara Fopla district. Inside long that part of the area where Eden Valley am affecting. Now on that point, Governor Mitok, thank you, lo you look save, including impact areas, na non-impact areas, so some minima two stuff before. Governor under his wisdom pull him come in said law. At least in a big law, but leak royalty. Law people lo minimum must benefit inside long Eden Valley. So member, I can assure you, this week or next week I will bring both the CDA for Poga, including the MOA for Eden Valley, including MOA submission law, Octady as well, law cabinet, and then after that you can progress him forward. So thank you. Me hope me answer him triple question. Thank you.